The best gaming mouse is one that feels good for your grip and offers great performance with your favorite titles. Getting a mouse that feels like it belongs in your hand and has the right feature set plus a strong sensor will inevitably improve the flow of your gameplay. There are many players in the mouse game today. Models can range from very cheap and simple to premium ones, boosting handy features like wireless charging or a pile of programmable buttons. In this video, I am going to show you top 5 such amazing gaming mouses that you can consider to buy in 2021. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which mouse did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Roccat Kone Emo Remastered. The Roccat Kone Emo has been around since the company began making gaming mice in 2007. Over the past decade plus, the mouse has grown and evolved with the needs of gamers, becoming what it is today. Roccat's Easy Shift technology makes the Kone Emo one of the most flexible mice around, with 24 total functions across the 12 buttons. Underneath all that functionality, you will find a 16,000 dpi all-vision sensor and 5 independent RGB lighting zones. Although the Kone Emo has distinctly right-handed design, the thumb support in the middle has been refined over numerous years for the best possible gaming experience. It is another wired gaming mouse, though the cable is nicely braided to last for many gaming sessions to come. The pros of this mouse is Easy Shift allows for 24 total function, grippy and dirt-resistant coating. The disappointment is right-handed design can be heavy for some. Razer Viper 8K. This one is an update to classic favorite. At first glance it looks like Razer's original Viper, but it packs the highest polling rate around to cut down on latency. While some premium mice top out at 1K Hz polling rate, the Viper cranks it at 8K Hz. However, the Razer Viper 8K goes beyond the high polling rate. It has a flexible build, perfect for ambidextrous use, and it comes with a long cable for the largest desk. Razer designed its Viper as an esports dream, and it's one of the lightest mice on our list at 71 gram. Pros are ambidextrous, featherweight design, incredibly low polling rate. Disappointment is squeaky buttons can feel flexible in hand. HP Omen Vector Wireless. The Omen Vector doesn't only deliver that impeccable no latency performance and 1 millisecond polling range. It also comes with an extremely long battery life of up to 180 hours as well as fast USB Type-C charging capability that gives you a full charge after only 90 minutes. There is not a lot of extra features here and you might miss being able to connect via Bluetooth. But this mouse is about minimalism and sticking to the basics. If that's something you're looking for, this is the best gaming mouse for you. Buy this mouse for its incredibly fast response time, great battery life and fast charging. The disappointments are it lacks Bluetooth connectivity and can only cycle DPI in one direction. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Logitech G903 Lightspeed. It's an high-end ambidextrous wireless gaming mouse. It is equipped with the Hero 16K sensor and 10 times the battery life of the previous version. You can stay in action for up to 140 hours with the RGB enabled or 180 without it. One of the coolest features is the power play compatibility. You can wirelessly charge while you stay in the game. The G903 Lightspeed is equipped with 11 customizable buttons and a fully ambidextrous design that fits most hands comfortably. Logitech's Hero 16K sensor delivers exact gameplay with a 1:1 tracking over 400 IPS. If you prefer to play while plugged in, the G903 Lightspeed comes with a braided charging cable to help you out. Pros are ambidextrous design, significantly improved battery life. The only disappointment here is it is expensive. Razer Basilisk Ultimate. The Basilisk Ultimate is one of the company's finest offerings with a lower click latency and an improved wireless protocol for power efficiency. It is equipped with 11 buttons that you can remap in minutes, thanks to the Razer Synapse. Powering the Basilisk Ultimate is a Focus Plus 20K optical sensor and an optical switch rated for 70 million clicks. Even better, the Basilix Ultimate is completely wireless and offers a battery life of over 100 hours, which is plenty for even the longest of marathons. If you prefer the security of a wired option, the Basilix V2 is also available with a nearly identical design. The pros are ergonomic design, plenty of buttons and mechanical switches. The disappointments are right-handed design and it is heavy and bit pricey too. Logitech G502 Hero. The Logitech G502 Hero is an updated version of the original G502, probably Logitech's finest gaming mouse. With the new Hero sensor, the G502 Hero now sports a max DPI of 16,000 and has a report rate of only 1 millisecond. As can be expected from a gaming mouse, it also has a programmable RGB light which can shine, pulsate or breathe in various colors. Logitech has also kept the sniper button on the left side of the mouse for fans of the first-person shooters, where your thumb would usually be. Pressing it instantly activates your lowest DPI preset, so your aim can be as precise as possible. Pros are it is durable, customizable buttons, and has got thin braided cable. The disappointments are it can be bulky or too heavy for some, not suitable for left-handed use. SteelSeries Rival 650. The SteelSeries Rival 650 is one of the best wireless mice you can get from the brand, and its adjustable weight offers 256 different combinations. With a TrueMove 3 sensor and customizable lift-off, the Rival 650 is a mouse built to play how you do. There is no fancy OLED display like you'd find on the Rival 710, but the button layout can keep you locked into the action. While the Rival 650 is a wireless default, but you can also try a wired version. If you stick with the wired option, you should see about 24 hours of battery life and 15 minutes of charging will net you 10 hours of power. The Rival 650 touches a maximum speed of over 350 IPS, and with the built-in RGB, you might feel even faster than that. It's a right-handed mouse by design, so you may want to test your comfort level before picking one up. Pros are swappable weights, rated for 60 million clicks. Disappointments are right-handed design, fewer buttons than some options. So these are the best gaming mouse that you can consider to buy. If I had left any of the best gaming mouse in this list, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.